So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 109,439, 440 now, 439. Anyway, the overall situation of Bitcoin is straightforward. Yesterday I told you that $107,000 is the support area. As long as that is intact, I expect Bitcoin to go up. And that is exactly what happened. We can look at the 107. I'll show it to you. Today it did drop. It went and it led to an overall wick below it, but I don't count the wicks. I only care about the candle's bodies. Bodies of each candle, they are above 107, so our structure is intact. It didn't go below 107, and of course it needs to go below 107 for more than 2 days. Only after that I'll say, okay, now it is getting bearish. All these wicks and stuff, we don't give a fuck about that part. The best part is that it went up towards 110. It got a bit rejection, but that doesn't matter. Our target is $112,000. That is our first target. After that, the next target is 115, after which we can finally start talking about new all-time highs. This is the exact strategy I used with Bitcoin last time as well. And then we went and we created new all-time high somewhere around the early October. Same thing, same old, same old. These are the same levels that I expect from Bitcoin to hold. After that, I can start singing songs for new all-time highs. But like I said, the rest of the market, I see massive bearish news dwelling around. But as you, the bearish news that is dwelling around in the market is a bit, challenging to deal with, because I don't have that much voice out there, that much influence. But with the small community I have on Telegram, over there at least, that is one place I have intact. In VIP, I keep on reminding everyone that we are not bearish, and that is the same thing I'm communicating here with 400, 500 viewers, whatever I have here. That you need to understand, I don't get into the market on the basis of emotions. I'm never bullish or bearish. I just look at what I see on the chart, and on the basis of that, I communicate direction. The reason I expect the market to go up is because that's how the overall structure of the market is. And also, of course, the month of November favors us, and the world economy is not in a place where I would sit down and I would think that, okay, tariff war is happening and I'm going to freak out. None of that shit happens. Affects the market. Tariffs are not something that is going to dramatically have an impact on Bitcoin. First of all, I don't buy the overall trouble that is going on. I think this is more of what we saw last year, Iran versus Israel attack kind of a thing. It's more of a drama on TV. The on-ground reality is that they will settle. I don't expect anything out of it to be troublesome for the market, whether it is stocks, crypto, or something else. So I think the general public, they follow too many people on Twitter, on TikTok, and on YouTube. And viewership works better when you have a bit spicy titles and spicy images, and you go around and you start selling controversies. I think that works better. That if China experiences 150% tariff, then this will happen, that will happen. That kind of dramatic shit, I think, brings a lot of views. But the on-ground reality is that I don't think any of that is going to take place. Even if it does, it's not going to have an impact on crypto. So I think the markets are going to stay green, as I have been communicating very clearly for over 2-3 weeks now. And I think the direction is up. Yes, you didn't get the October, but the thing is that we wanted a red September. We didn't get that. So we got our bottom crashes in October. So entries are done. Now the only thing we need is to fly. And that is the case scenario here with Bitcoin. I expect it to hold 107 as long as that is intact. The only journey is to go up. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.